Hi, Poppy's Workshop, Caffeine and BS, Sunday, April 14th, 2019. I uploaded 6, that's this hand plus another finger, videos this morning. And after I was done, I went to homepage, see what Adam Booth was doing lately. And what do I see on the homepage? Recommended for you, Poppy's Workshop. Poppy back in the shop, 7 or 8, doesn't matter. I go, wow! I'm being recommended now. Now, if you just recommend me to people other than me, I haven't been out in the shop since Wednesday. Coughing up brown Smurfs and all kinds of good stuff. Going to St. Helena in the morning for a nuclear stress test. When I get back out in the shop, I can finally video precision turning with compound. Sneak up on nominal really slow. It's only been like 2 months delay because of hardware problems I had to overcome. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. Good night.